All right, dude, so let's now think about the faceplate. And I'm going to do it in the same way, yeah? I'm going to pick curves going one way, and then I can pick curves going the other way. So we've kind of got a curve already going that way. So if I take that to there, oh gosh, that there to there, duplicate, escape, P, and separate by selection. Cool. So now we take that, tab into edit mode, select all, duplicate, Z, oh god. Now let's try and get this roughly where we want it. So I'm just trying to see where they're all gonna go. Yeah, that's cool. G1. Now this is very flat, this bit, so if I just scale Y like that, something like that. Okay. Now, remember what we did before, so we're now going to U and U, F, tab, and let's make, I don't know, 4? Something like that. U and U, F, edge, right click, subdivide, which is 4. It's got to match, hasn't it? There's going to be so much in terms of repetition. Okay. If you want to model a car, same way. Anything. It's done like this. Now, all that actually has to come that way a bit because I started further right. So let's approximate that curve. That I like quite straight. All right. So you can see this direction, same amount of vertex, arguably not enough. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, yeah. And this way, same amount. So let's just tab into whatever that mode is. I think it's like local. What mode is it? Local view. Toggle local view. Basically isolates it. So select our vertex, all, select a corner as our selected vertex, face, grid fill. Love it. Hasn't quite worked, so let's just play around with the offset button. There we go, till it works. Pretty sweet faceplate, sisters. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. Right click, shade smooth. Come out of toggle mode. Now again, it's a very bad habit to do, but I'm going to select that edge, mean crease. We will replace it with topology eventually. Pardon me. I'm looking and I'm liking. So let's just, this is offending me, so I'm going to put in a loop cut there about halfway. Topology, because we want all our topology to be as even as possible. Let's go back onto O for proportional editing, G to move it around. Blender is an artistic package. It's for artists. not for engineers. I'm just sculpting, yeah? That's all this guy's doing. He is just sculpting. This is a very important curve. See how that offends me? Look, you see the topology? Come out of proportionality. If you see something that offends you, fix it. See it in 3D. Because Blender, I won't say you'll go mental. But point made, yeah? You have a lump of clay in front of you. Just try and always see it in 3D. Toggle in and out all the time. Let's go back into our matte cap, to a car paint matte cap. Starting to see it. Yeah, I like it, baby. Okay. Yes, there's a gap up here because we've added extra topology that we didn't add to this, but I don't care because the eyes will sort that out. So what is next? I'm avoiding this curve on purpose because it looks really tricky. So let us, how do you put a thing around the mouse? Let me know in the comments. You know what I mean? Some people have their mouse highlighted. Whatever. So let's now think about the temple area.